shit.
Please.
Do you know what happened?
She woke up, asked for a Sprite.
She's okay?
I guess so. You know her?
No, I visited with her, but my congregation. This morning, we prayed for her.
Well, she woke up last night.
Sorry. I'm pretty sure it wasn't supposed to be funny. But it was hilarious to me.
Monster is on the same list along with all the others who left us, along with the innocent and the good, along with your niece. Someone has to expose these people for who they truly were and what they truly did. Because if we can no longer separate the innocent from the guilty, everything that happened to us, all of our suffering, is meaningless.
Jesus fucking Christ! Come on! What about the bet? What about the bet? Get out of here! Get out of here!
Oh shit.
I have to deal with this. Get down to pit 4, there's fucking birds on the table.
What?
Hello, Matt.
Hey, Jim, is that you? Oh, I'm sorry, my phone's been acting up. How are you?
Good. Good. Even $1 above that price, I can get your name back on the deed.
What was their price?
$135,000.
How much time do I have?
Tomorrow.
Why'd you even bring it up?
Just be alone. Things are changing. People are ready to come back. I just performed a baptism this morning. I hate coming to you, but this is our family church. Mom and
No,
Dad.
Matt, it's your church.
Do you not have
$5,000.
it? I thought the benefit money.
That money was for my husband and my children.
I'm sorry. You're right. I shouldn't have asked. I just didn't know where to go.
Will you stop making your paper?
What?
You're asking me for something. I'm asking you for something. Stop making your paper and I'll give you the money.
I can't do that.
Why not?
People need to hear the
People
truth.
need to punch you in the face.
I didn't say it was easy to hear.
Then deliver the truth in your church. That's what you're asking me for, right? Your church?
That's not what this is about.
No, it's about the accident. It's about the judge. And it should have ended there. Do you know what it was?
It was a test. Not for what came before, but for what came after. It was a test for what comes now.
Well, if it was a test, then I think you may be failing it.
Doug was having an affair. The kid's preschool teacher. They usually did it at her apartment. But a couple of times, he brought her to the plaza in the city.
I love you too.
Okay.
I hate this priest. I love watching him, I gotta be honest. What, does that grow a beard?
He said I could get it whenever I wanted.
She just sits out there at night? That's sad as fuck. Please don't tell them I was here.
I won't say anything if you won't.
Those fucking pigeons.
20,000 on red.
No more bets.
Holy shit!
Winner, red. 40,000.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit. We got a player here.
I don't want to see this go bad though. I invested in this dummy, so to speak.
Winner, red.
Once more, please.
Jesus, man. Hey, whoa, you know something that we don't know? Gee, what the fuck are you doing, Tina? You can jinx a guy. That's a fucking jinx. No, you bet with it.
No, black is different. Sorry.
Black is
Did she fuck this shit up?
80,000 on red. Good luck.
No more bets.
Hey, son of a bitch! Oh, he about to get mugged. Oh, how much time is left in the show? Man, this shit is not gonna end well.
Hey, winner, chicken dinner, right? Yeah. Yeah, congrats, man.
Thanks.
You were on fire. I never seen balls like that. I was trying to get my girl over there not to bet against you, but she fucking ignored me. Right?
I have to.
Listen, here's the thing, though. We dropped our last 100. And we got to be in Niagara Falls in the morning, and that's at least 2 tanks of gas. So I was just wondering if maybe you could help us out. And I'll just take that envelope. No! Get in the fucking car!
Absolutely. Holy shit. Close that door, let's get the fuck out of here.
Are you okay? Huh? What'd they throw? Yes, there's been an attack. A man was hit with a rock. He's bleeding. We're on, Cedar Lane and, Whoa, 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 whoa!
Why do you persist?
Oh, shit.
Why isn't anybody doing anything?
Is it not the same day?
Matt, it's too late.
No. No, you said end of day, and it's only 10 minutes. I have the money. We made a deal.
That was 3 days ago.
What?
Hayes took possession yesterday.
They?
He going white? All right, that was episode 3. Jesus, that was episode 3 of The Leftovers. About halfway through the episode, I thought I both hated this guy and was quite bored about this episode. Holding on, but like losing patience. It felt so disconnected from everything we had seen before. You know, there's a couple characters popping in here, but this, for the most part, yeah. By the end of it, number 1. It's probably my favorite episode so far. And number 2, he's probably my favorite character so far. I mean, granted, there haven't been many of them. And considering how anti-religious I am, the fact that this super religious person, my favorite character, is kind of weird. Though not uncommon. There's been quite a few of them recently. Echo, Herschel, Locke, sort of. Now, there are a couple things to dissect. Number 1, but I'll just start with the bare bones of it. The kind of chronological situation. Him making the money, right? Him finding the money in the ground, betting it on red over and over again until he won $160,000 was fantastic. The way they set it up with the fucking chick, putting her chip down, him closing his eyes, it was just perfectly done. Even if we've only seen him for 30 minutes at that point, it was like, I've never rooted with somebody that hard in a long while. Then he gets mugged, which I knew something bad was coming. There's way too much time left. He's way too happy. Things don't go as well. It's a TV show. We need conflict. So he gets mugged. Then he murders the dude. Yes. Another cathartic moment. If he can murder him again, I wish he would. Then he goes to help these dummies in white who gets hit by a rock. Because he's a dummy. And helpful. Gets hit with a rock himself. Is out for days. Fucking church is gone. And there's people in white that took it. Motherfucker. Who are they? What do they want? Now, when he was having his kind of dream sequence there, a couple things popped up. There was a fire. We saw his wife in the car accident. And then we saw him sleep with his wife. Now, in between sleeping with his wife, it also moved on to him sleeping with... What the fuck's her name? Forgot her name. But the chief's wife. Is that a fantasy he had? Is that what actually happened? Which would explain the fire on his hands? It was all very interesting. And I'm thoroughly ready to see more of him. I am ready. Anyway, what'd you think? Post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.